Hello student, welcome to online class. I am Mrs. SD from IPM Public School and today I am going to explain you chapter 21 of class 6, that is English second, or you can say English grammar. Before this, in the previous video I have explained you about chapter 20, that is punctuation, and also chapter 19, active and passive. So I hope all of you have watched and make your notes. So let's begin chapter 21, and the name of the chapter is, that is sentences, phrase and clause. As you know student, it is very common to all of you about sentence. Sentences are group of words which have complete sense. At the same time, we must know what is phrase. Phrase are also group of words, but it is not complete. Clause is also a group of words. It has some sense. Let's see first of all definition, then difference between all these three. So first our point is, that is a sentence. So let's see the definition of sentence. Dear student, all of you write the definition in your classroom copy as well as in your pair copy. So first thing, that is sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It means a sentence are the group of words which gives complete meaning, complete sense. For example, there are so many types of sentence which we have studied in the previous classes, previous chapter, like assertive sentence, affirmative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence. So it is not a new for all of you. See, sentence based on tense. They are playing a game. This is a sentence. Or if I say what type of sentence it is, as per type, it is a simple sentence. If I say tense, it is present continuous. Let's see one more example. This is first sentence. In this sentence, the first thing, that is the word they, it is subject. Art is helping verb. Playing is a fourth form, or you can say before ing form. A game is an object here. So this is about the sentence. It is a simple sentence. See one more example. I have completed my project. It is also a sentence which is a example of simple sentence. It is, I think, not clear to you. Okay. And in this, if I say the tense of this sentence, it is in a present perfect tense. Here, the I is a subject, have helping verb, completed, this is third form of a verb. My project, here it is object, But object is a to. The word my is an indirect object and project is a direct object. So I hope it is clear to all of you about the sentence. Sentence is a group of words that have complete sense. So it is clear to all of you. Let's see the next, that is about the phrase. Now see about the phrases, or you can say a phrase. A phrase is a group of words. It is also a group of words like a sentence. So it is a group of words that make a part of it is a part of sentence. It has sense. You can write. It has some sense, but not complete. But not complete. It means a phrase is a part of sentence. It has some sense, means some meaning. It gives not complete meaning. It has some meaning. And if I say about the subject and the verb, then it does not contain any verb. Means it has no verb. It has no verb. Means it does not contain any verb. Okay. Now next, that is if I tell about tense. Okay. If there is no verb, it means there is no change of tense. Okay. Now let's see the examples of some of the phrases. Examples are, first, suppose in the morning. It is there is no ending. Okay, do not use any punctuation mark. It is start with a small. Okay, sometime maybe if it is used at the beginning of a sentence, it may be with the capital, but there is no ending. Okay, it is a part of a sentence. It has some sense in the morning. It gives meaning, but it is not complete. What in the morning? Nothing is given, so it is incomplete. And see here, there is no subject, no verb. Okay, it means a phrase has no subject, no verb. It is just a group of words which have some sense. Okay, so it is clear. Let's see one more example. On the road, at the door, in hot water, anything. Okay, anything which has some sense in, or you can say a group of words which has some sense but not complete, it is a phrase. I hope it is clear to all of you. So dear student, now let's see the third point, that is about clause. Our next point is about clause. See here, a clause is a group of words that complete sense, or you can say that have one subject and a predicate, or you can one predicate you can write. See, a subject is a clause is a group of word which have one subject and one predicate, or you can say which has a, just write a, it has a subject and a predicate. So this is the definition of clause. A clause is a group of words that have a subject. It is important, a subject and a predicate. Without subject or without predicate, it is not a clause. Some of the more important points about the clause are, so you can write here, it is a complete sentence. Okay, you can say a clause may be a complete sentence. Maybe a complete sentence that stand alone. See, clauses is a group of words. Here you can say a clauses may be a complete sentence, which I have given you the first definition, that they are playing a game in which they is a subject or is a verb. Playing game. Playing is also verb and game is a object, which we can say the predicate part. Okay. Now the next point about the clause, you can say a clause is a part of a sentence of a long sentence. It may be a part of longer sentence. A clause may be the part of long sentence. So this is all about the subject, that is the sentence, predicate, phrase. First we have studied about the sentence, second phrase, and the third is clause. Now let's see the example of clause so that it will be clear to all of you. Example of clause. First, my friend called when I was so it is the sentence. See here, the word my friend called. Here in this part, the word my friend called, the word my friend is a subject. I write here, it is subject, and called is a verb. It means if I say it is a subject part and verb, this is a predicate part. So from here to here, we can say it is one clause. Okay? And if I say the next part, when is a conjunction. I is a subject here, and was studying is a predicate part. So in this way we can say I was studying is also one clause. So in this way the sentence has two clause. First, my friend thought, it is also a complete sense, giving complete sense. I was studying is also a complete sentence. So two clause combined together frame a long sentence, and they two sentences are connected with a conjunction, that is when. So in this way we can say a clause is a group of words that have one subject. Here see the my friend is a subject, and in the next sentence I is a subject, and a predicate. The predicate part is called, and here was studying. So a sentence may be along or may be in a part of a sentence, part of any sentence. Okay, a clause stand alone or it is a part of a sentence. In this way, let's see one more example so it is clear. She wrote a letter. Here I have given a simple example of a single sentence so that it is clear. Here in this sentence, the word she is the subject. Okay, wrote a letter is the predicate part, and when there is a subject and predicate, the sentence total is called as one clause. It is called as one clause. Okay, you can see clauses or one clause. Sorry. Subject and predicate combined together frame a sentence, and if a sentence has a subject and predicate both, it is called as a clause. So thank you for the watching.